Planning to launch an LED face mask brand in the USA? Then you need more than a good-looking mask. You need a manufacturer who understands product planning, cost control, design, testing, documentation, production, packaging, and delivery. Meet Kaiyan Medical. With 20-plus years of manufacturing experience, Kaiyan helps beauty and wellness brands develop LED face masks with stronger confidence from the start. Over 300 partners trust Kaiyan because we support more than caution. From idea to prototype, from LED layout and material selection to sampling, testing, packaging, and shipment, our team works to get your device ready for market. With 50-plus production lines and 3.6 million annual capacity, large-scale production is not something you need to worry about. Whether you need OEM, ODM, or private label support, Kaiyan manufactures light therapy devices through a complete in-house process built around quality, speed, and market readiness. Because launching in the US is not only about having an LED face mask, it is about having the right manufacturing partner behind it. Ready to launch your FDA-cleared face mask brand? Talk to Kaiyan Medical today. Kaiyan Medical, your light therapy device manufacturing partner.